A little foxy then.
All right, hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, and we have another Technique Tuesday for you today. Today we're going to be touching upon what is the difference between Foxy and Foxtrot. Most people have heard of the Foxtrot, whether they've danced it, seen it, they've probably heard the word Foxtrot sometime in their lifetime. Foxy is a variation from the Foxtrot that was created mainly for wedding dance couples. It's our most popular slow dance, and we teach it a lot and people love it. So that being said, Foxtrot is a ballroom dance that is danced around the room, kind of travels a lot, really fun, beautiful music, a little more jazzy, where Foxy is just straight timing. It's very slow, very romantic, and dance to just your basic slow dances, okay? So I'm gonna demonstrate our Foxy basic, which starts like this. We have for the follower 2 walk back, 2 sways. For our Foxtrot, we have 2 walks backwards, and then a small side step, and then it repeats. So that's in terms of the footwork of how it's different. I'm gonna bring Chris in a minute so we can show you that with a partner. And then in terms of timing, Foxy is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has standard timing throughout. So Foxy has no rhythm changes and Foxtrot does. For example, our basic goes slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. If you're not familiar with slows and quicks, a slow has 2 beats of music and a quick has 1 beat. So if I quickly just do that with numbers, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's different ways on when you should step. The most basic way is to step on the 1. But we don't have any Foxtrot videos quite yet on our channel. We are working on those soon, so stay tuned for that. But I hope that clarified some of the differences between Foxy and Foxtrot. Later, there are many different patterns as well. So a lot of the patterns come from Foxtrot, but they also come from waltz and the Foxy. So you'll see differences in the patterns as along with the structure of the dance. But let's bring Chris in so we can show you both of those. So our Foxy basic, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can show you our Foxtrot now. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. And we're just gonna demo those both briefly with some music so you can hear the difference in the song style and the feeling of the 2 dances.